with that, when I moved on to prosecuting crime, I took that level of, I would say, maturity and conscience to my work. And I would notice certain practices that I felt were not the fairest. I always tried to bring that level of transparency and fairness to my professional work. And when my friend Abigail had reached out to me in 2020 at the height of the Black Lives Movement and so on, I considered our local jurisdiction. I mean, throughout the English-speaking Caribbean, crime is a hot-button topic. It's a political topic, a societal topic, and I felt that not sufficient attention was being paid to the possibility of a lot of persons being incarcerated who are wrongfully convicted. And I looked at the measures that we have in place, and I felt that they were so woefully inadequate that it would be prudent to consider having a body such as the Criminal Cases Review Committee in the UK, a similar institution to that in our jurisdiction. And I wanted to start that discourse with the article. And it did provide people provided a lot of feedback on it to me. So that was the genesis of that.